Good evening. My name is Robert Whitelake. I live on East Hill Road. I lived in the town of Chenango since about 1981. I'm a lawyer. I've been doing this gas leasing stuff for over 4 years. I've done a lot of it, and I can tell you I've seen a lot, probably a lot more than anybody in this room, aside from Mr. Kukowski. First of all, I'm going to indicate that I have submitted some written comments to your town attorney. You currently have a zoning ordinance in the town of Chenango that would not permit gas drilling. Therefore, you don't need a moratorium to stop any gas drilling. Your current zoning ordinance would preclude a gas driller from coming in and drilling. I've provided Mr. Walls with a land use moratoria guide, which is not put out by frackers or anti-frackers. It's put out by the New York State Department of State, and it sets forth the criteria that you have to have a legal moratorium. One of the criteria is that the moratorium not disproportionately fall on the burden some landowners more than others. And I think that this moratorium, if passed, would have would fall proportionally on some landowners more than others. Secondly, you have to have a valid public purpose to have a legal moratorium. Again, this has got nothing to do with fracking or anti-fracking. It's what the law is. And I would submit to you, because your current ordinance does prohibit any zoning, the zoning ordinance does prohibit any fracking, that you don't have a public purpose to pass this. So, I would submit to you there's some real problems from a legality standpoint. Right now, I'm representing landowners that are suing the city of Binghamton with respect to the city moratorium. That's still out, the jury's still out on that. But I've already been contacted by some town Chenango residents. I haven't solicited the calls with respect to possibly commencing litigation against the town. I agree with a lot of the other stuff that you've heard already today. I can tell you that my practice also includes real estate. We have an office, a full-time office down in Scranton, Pennsylvania. Because of that, we see a lot of what's going on in Pennsylvania. I can tell you, go try to buy property in northern Pennsylvania. You hear the speaker saying the land values have plummeted. The opposite is true. Try buying acreage here in Broome County. Try it. You'll find that the cost of the acreage has gone up because of largely gas drilling. The town of Vestal had a revaluation. All the taxes went up because of the revaluation. It's a balancing test, ladies and gentlemen. You have to look at the negative and the positive. Sure, there are some negative. I'm not going to stand here and tell you there's never been a problem. But have we seen hundreds and hundreds of problems in Pennsylvania? No. There's been a handful granted. But the benefits, the ad valorem tax, the national security interest, the energy benefits, the jobs, the economics, I submit to you that the positive attributes outweigh the negative attributes. Thank you very much.